What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today I want to share with y'all my new favorite product that I just got. This is for my Blackstone viewers. If you're not a Blackstone owner yet and you're thinking about getting one, you're going to notice that some of the models have lids and some of them don't. I bought the 4-burner model that does not have a lid, and I pretty quickly realized I wanted a lid. I got to shopping around, and what I found was that the aftermarket options for a lid, a lot of them are lids that you pick up and set down. Pick up, find a place to put it, and set it down, and then you have to remember to later on pick it up and put it back on. Doesn't sound like that big of a deal, but I'm me. And I know how I am, and I know that I'm gonna forget to put that thing back on, or something like that's gonna happen, and it's just not gonna work as good. So I got this thing on my wish list on Amazon. My wife spotted it, got it for me for Christmas, because I've got a great wife. Thank you very much, honey. I really appreciate it. Now I'm gonna show y'all what this thing is about. Now the difference between this one and the type you sit on is this one is actually hinged, and it stays on the grill. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what's going on with it. This is a product that is produced by Backyard Life. This is their hinged lid. This is not made by Blackstone. This is just a sticker that I got with my burner. So opens up very smooth, very quiet and smooth. I really like it. One of the big benefits with this is that it creates this huge backsplash. So I can cook anywhere I want with this thing now. I used to always have to have it facing an area where I didn't have anything behind it that grease could splatter up on. It was a big worry. And now I can cook however I want, wherever I want, without having to worry too much about it. It's gonna be a heat deflector. It's gonna be a wind deflector as well. It's gonna keep the wind from blowing in my face and across my griddle top and cooling my griddle top down. And it's also, like I said, it's going to stop that splatter. So I can go right up here up against my house if I want to, and I don't have to worry about, making my wife clean the grease off. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know. All I do, finish my cooks, spray the thing down, get it cleaned up, spray it down again, and then all I got to do is close this thing down. And I do not have to worry about coming out here and finding my rolled steel top covered in rust because some rain got on it or moisture got to it or something like that. This right here, great product. Another thing I want to point out, that it is a 1-person install. I was able to put this on by myself, very few pieces. Really, 2 of the pieces are just putting this handle on it, and then you've got a couple pieces that mount to the side of your Blackstone, and then this just sits down and mounts onto those pieces. Really easy to do. If you would like a more detailed explanation on how to do it, you can follow the link. I'll leave a link to this below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. Just remember that if you follow my link, it doesn't cost you any extra. It just pays me a little bit, helps me out. So if you do feel like clicking that link and checking this thing out, I would appreciate it. But if you follow that link, what you'll see is that the manufacturers have made a video demonstrating exactly how to put this thing on. It makes it real clear. I recommend you check that out before you put this on yourself. Now, I know that I recommended that this was a 1-person assembly, but what you can do is you can get a second person to help you out and then just let them put it on and you can drink a beer. Works out really great because you get to drink a beer, and then what you do is you tell them that if they help you and they do the work because you're so busy, you'll cook them something really good. So that always works out. Anyway, that's just the few key talking points that I wanted to have with this thing, is that it's really smooth, it's really easy to assemble, it works great. The price point is a little bit higher than the ones that you just set on, but you also never have to find a place to set it. You also never have to worry about where your grease is going to go and the wind coming in and knocking down the temperature on your flat top. If y'all have got one of these, y'all know what I'm talking about. A little wind can just ruin your ability to get the product that you want. Keep that in mind. This works great, it looks great, and I highly recommend it. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button for me and become a subscriber to my channel if you enjoyed this content. If you do subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you always get alerted every time I put out new content. But if nothing else, make sure to hit the like button for me. That is not like on Facebook where it just lets me know that you enjoyed it. It actually tells YouTube that you enjoyed my content, and it really helps to promote my channel. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see y'all in the next video.